Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Squarespace SEO features easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Squarespace SEO features, start by logging into your Squarespace account. From your dashboard, navigate to the website you want to optimize. Click on the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Once in Settings, look for the SEO tab and click on it. Here, you will find an overview of the available SEO settings for your site. Begin by entering a site title in the Site Title field. This title will appear in search engine results and browser tabs. Next, fill out the site description with a summary of your website's content. Make sure to include relevant keywords that reflect your business. Next, move on to the Advanced settings within the SEO menu. In the Advanced section, you will have the option to edit your site's meta tags. Add custom meta tags to improve your visibility on search engines. Now, return to the main SEO settings page. Scroll down to find the Search Engine Indexing option. Ensure the box for Enable Search Engine Indexing is checked. This allows search engines to crawl your site effectively. Next, navigate back to your site's main dashboard. Click on Pages in the left-hand menu to manage your individual pages. Select a page to edit, and then click on the Settings gear icon. Here, you'll see an SEO tab specifically for that page. Fill out the page title and add a description that is unique and relevant. Incorporate specific keywords for that page to improve its search ranking. Now, check the Social Image option to upload an image that represents the page. This image will appear when the page is shared on social media platforms. Go back to your SEO settings and review the Clean URLs feature. Turning on clean URLs can help improve your site's overall SEO performance. Finally, remember to regularly check your website's performance using Google Analytics. Monitoring your site will help you understand what SEO strategies are working. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.